Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope all of you doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now I'm gonna share with you how to become a speaker. To be a speaker, you have to speak all the time. If you want to learn English, so you have to get into English. Otherwise, you can't speak in English. So to be a speaker, you have to definitely speak all the time. What I said before, but how you can speak to know English, you have to learn vocabulary, you have to learn some grammars, you have to practice every day and every day. If you want to practice with me, you can contact with me and I can give you my 100% to help you guys. So I would say English is an international language, so everyone should know English to make progress of their life. So guys, my advice, not my advice, I would say that I always with you guys, be confident, be confident. You can do it. You can do it. If you want to become a English speaker, get into English and you can think in English. You can learn from many videos such as my videos. So guys, Allah Hafiz. See you again in my another video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.